How to start dropshipping business in 2023. Start selling with Shopify today. Here Shopify have a blog post. How to start dropshipping, a 9-step guide 2023. Written by Corey Ferrier. Learn how to start a dropshipping business like any type of venture. Isn't easy. Nevertheless, it's great first step into the world of entrepreneurship. You can sell to customers without holding any inventory. You don't need to pay for product upfront. With and if you're serious about a new venture, you can build a sustainable source of income in the long run. How to start a dropshipping business? 9 steps to profitable dropshipping business plan. Starting a dropshipping business. Choose a dropshipping business idea. Do competitive research. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Build your e-commerce. Decide on a business structure. Get your financial in order. Marketing your dropshipping store. Analyze and improve your offering. Commit to starting a dropshipping business. As with any other business, dropshipping takes a significant commitment and a long-term perspective. If you're hoping for a six-figure income from 6 weeks of part-time work, you are going to sadly disappointed by approaching your business with realistic expectation about the industry regarding their potential for profit. You will be much less likely to get discouraged and quit. When starting an e-commerce business as a beginner, you will need to invest heavily using one of the following two currencies: time and money. So the dropshipping business idea. The second step is learning how to start a dropshipping business in fast the necessary market research just as you see by opening looking into different sectors and industry event to investigate event interest and make decision based on how profitable it can be. But the problem is, to this coming up with a related product idea is tricky. Here's interested your thinking to business idea. Shopify curates a list of trending products types based on the cross-selling product category on the platform by focusing on more niche and trending product. You can help get the attention of shoppers and gain traction without competing with larger established business. Niche product often have a more passionate customer list which can make selling. Some example of niche dropshipping is cotton, tugboat, transfer to glass, iPhone case for iPhone or camping gear for campers, accessories equipment for fitness folk. Keyword everywhere. This code is to show you the monthly search volume of your product and how competitive it is. You can use this information to gather popularity of dropshipping business idea and inspire new product ready for the future. These are only two competitive business. Third step is to competitive research. Here are some: run a Google search, use competitive display tools like SimilarWeb and Alexa, browse social media. So fourth step is choose a dropshipping supplier. It is if you find it better supplier, then you can get a better result from this. Build your e-commerce store. 5 step. 6th, decide on a business structure. Limited liability company, a corporate company. Get your finance in order. Credit card, business checking account, credit card, collect sales tax. Market your dropshipping store, analyzing any previous offering. So you have to follow this. You can follow this in 9 steps for improving your dropshipping business. And Shopify is the best option for dropshipping business. You can create a dropshipping business through Shopify. It's easy and suitable for your business, but it's paid, not free. Sometimes now Shopify gives some